Yeah, hello, Martin here for Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Sevenoaks and really excited to show you around a fantastic Kite 6 by 3.7 pre-designed building here with some lovely additions and extras inside. So on this very sloping ground here in Sevenoaks, we've actually levelled out some of the ground and dug into it a bit with some retaining, really big slope down here as well. So been quite a challenging site, but we've really enjoyed creating this first space for the rest of the garden to be designed around. Large decking, our first I can show you of our new SmartBoard deck. Unfortunately, it's just rained about 10 minutes ago, so the colours don't quite work as well as I'd like to show you on that. That's the Battleship Grey. It's a new product we're using, working alongside Millboard as well. So we've now got two new composite decking options, and this big large pad really utilises a ground that was completely sloping. We've also used that slope to our advantage because it's got a toilet inside of it, and we've run down to the drain that you see there. You can just see the remnants of the trench that we dug there. Really deep trench on this particular one because of the levels. But yeah, so that I will show you a bit more later. But the building itself is one of our Kites, as I said, 6 metres wide, 3.7 metres deep. Got the integrated blinds. That's that kind of reflectiveness you can see there. I've set some closed and some open so you can see the difference. You've seen these before on many occasions, I'm sure, but the integrated blinds are great. The Kite as standard comes with windows to the entire front. Now inside, I absolutely love this space. They've done such a lovely job. It's a family room being used all the time for a number of reasons, including an office, and you wouldn't believe it, but that there I'm showing you is the desk. Bit more of that in a moment. So as we come round this room here, really nice space, lovely big bar, one of our baker's bars with a large overhang on the side. I really like that, and it's tucked away against that that toilet there, so we've like utilised that double space there like that. So just really lovely. Big punches of colour coming in from the artwork, which I really like. In here, a regular toilet that you would have seen from us a number of times before. We have a towel rail, the toilet itself, and a basin. That's all running out down the slope, as I said, into the drains. Up there in that box is all of the electrical work. So everything fully completed in this building and really tidily done. Heater down here on the wall. Yeah, let me show you this desk. So this is really exciting. I've never seen one of these before, and it's I am surprised, but with a turn of a key, that drops down and becomes your office space. Now, in a building like this, where it's not a dedicated office and you are using it all year round and for multi-purposes, isn't that a great option? Just tidy and goes away. You'd never know it's there. It just looks like a picture on the wall. I will put links into this company. You can actually have your own personal photo put on that. They do different sizes, so I think it's great for a multi-purpose room. If it's just a dedicated office that we do, then probably it's a bit of a waste because you just want the desk there all the time. But I think that's a lovely option. Integrated blinds, as I've said, and a really nice touch is we put a full drop glass into this side, so we're looking down at the house. The house is going to be developed on the rear, so they've started with our building and running down, and they've already said that there's the potential here that they will actually do less of a development now, as this building has given them so much more use than they thought. So yeah, there you go. So I hope that's of interest to you. I'm going to just open the doors up, so let me just come back now and show you that outside again. There's nice big wide doors open, integrated blind, everything you would expect from us. So the plumbing, the internet, the lighting, heating, all fully completed by us, along with that new SmartBoard decking area to the front of it. Please like, subscribe and share what we do. Really do appreciate you sharing and liking. Please let us know your thoughts on this building, and thank you for watching.